Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Fashion Star Gold. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to cut a very beautiful stylish hand or a beautiful stylish sleeve. It's a sleeve, very fine and beautiful. So here I'll come in by 3.5 inches. I'm cutting two of it, both the lining and the sleeve. So the length of the stylish sleeve is 12.5 inches. The width is 11.5 inches. So I'm going to cut the basic sleeve. If you don't know how to cut a basic sleeve, go to my channel and watch. I'm going to link it at the description below, so just click it and watch. I'm going to use net. I'm going to use net on it. So for the net, is the same measurement. I want the net to stiffen it to make it stand. You can use a collar stand. You can use any hard interfacing. You can use a warden if you like, if you want to use it. It's not compulsory, just stiffen it. So this is how it's gonna look like. I'll place the lining on it. And I'm going to place the net on it. Then I'm going to join it together. So I finished joining this place. This is how it look like with the net inside. So I want to top stitch it. The top stitching will be this other way. Just open it up like this and top stitch on it. So I finished top stitching. Watch how I'm sewing it. It's a stylish sleeve. Then the side I top stitch will be under. To be under. So I'm going to secure it with a pin so that it will not shift the downside of it. I'm securing with a pin. You have to iron it first. So I'll start from here and sew. and make sure that the net is inside. Then I'll trim the excess out. I'll trim out the net, the excess of it. Then I'm going to close this. I'm joining this other end. Way I want to join the sleeve. I'll take 1 inch measurement. This sleeve is not the fitted type. It's kind of standing sleeve. I'll measure the armhole. So you have to give it a good press. I finish. You have to give a good press to it. I want to put it on the dummy. I want to place it and see. I have not ironed it. Just iron your own. This one I'm just using the material for tutorial. Iron it, let it be very straight. So this is how the standing sleeve is. Let me first of all get the midpoint of it, notch the midpoint. So this is how it looks like. So please, I've come to the end of the tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Support me to grow. This is my standing sleeve. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. I'll see you with another beautiful sleeve tutorial. Bye.